baby twist. Ooh, yeah, just like this. Come on, little miss, and do that twist.
Mr. Elvis Presley.
Where we want you, well, so long ago, so maybe let's see that time. You so broken arm, while I had to see just for my life. I know her. What is her name? Vicky. Is that your husband? You guys love each other? Yeah, I give her this anyway. And I can see. Yeah. What the voice wants over, what's rolling me? Whoa! Friends to say, I make waters of mud, I'm in love. Say, I'm not sure.